Hello and welcome to my creation nook. My name's Linda and today we are on Advent number 6. This Advent is called the Masquerade Advent Calendar by Reggie over at J Hook Crochet, and with it we got the pattern, a pattern for a shawl. You could either knit it or crochet it, and I am knitting it. And I have used, I'm on day 2, Advent number 2, and this is what I've done so far. I didn't use all of number 1, and I've just started number 2 now. So today, and it looks really nice, it knits up beautifully, really nice simple pattern, and yeah, so I surprised myself with how much I did yesterday. I had a busy day yesterday, so anyway, less of me chattering on. We're on day 6, and day 6 is a little snowflake in a little wheat coloured bag. I do love these little bags, you know. Ooh, ooh. Orange. Oh, look at that, guys. It's orange with little specks of white in it, and that. Ooh, so what I did yesterday, this is day Advent number 2, and I just rolled them all up into a little ball and put them back in the bags. So I'll be working on that sometime today. I'm going to try and do a little bit each day. So yeah, so today we have orange, which will go really nice with day 5. Which will go to day 5 because we've got the oranges in it. So yeah, so I need to wind that up today. And so mine are more kind of oranges, and I wonder if what the colour will be like tomorrow. It'll be interesting to see, and I'm not peeking at all because it'll spoil the surprise, won't it? That's why I bought the Advent, to do them every day. So yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love reading your comments. I'm excited about this, the shawl. I'll not get it finished before Christmas, or even after. I might at a push get it finished before New Year, but we'll see. Maybe I should have started it on day 1 of Advent, but hey ho, never mind. Hindsight's a wonderful thing. So anyway, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Be kind to you guys. Bye for now.